أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. So today inshallah we are going to revise our last chapter of level 3. So last week we revised 2 chapters. Anybody can tell me what we revised last week on Sunday? Anybody knows?
Assalamu
Brother Sharia, please.
all level 3, like Bab,
We revised 2 chapters.
تفاعل and
Tafaul and Infial.
Infial.
Last week we revised, I think, last 2 chapters, Iftial and Ifilal.
we did باب تفاعل and انفعال.
Infial.
No,
Okay.
we last week, but on last day, on Sunday, we revised
Iftial and
Iftial and
Ifilal.
If'ilal.
Ifilal. Yes.
Iftial and If'ilal. So, what is Iftial?
Bab Iftial is regular pattern is Ikhtalafa Yakhtalifu Ikhtilaf. And there are 3 special cases. First one is Ihtada Yahtadi Ihtidaa, and Ikhtasa Yakhtasu Ikhtisas, and Ikhtara Yakhtaru Ikhtiyar.
What does
And
Ikhtara means?
he Ikhtiyar huna
Who can help Brother Ashar?
He chose exclusively.
He chose
oh yes, he chose, yes.
And Ikhtasa means?
Ikhtasa Ikhtasa means he Ikhtasa. He chose, I think.
Yeah, he chose. And Ihtada?
Ihtada, he was guided.
But isn't اختار supposed to be he chose and اختص he chose exclusively?
Yeah, you're right. Ihtada means?
He was guided.
Ikhtalafa?
Ikhtalafa means he disagreed.
He disagreed. What is the If'ilal chapter?
If'ilal is Ibyadda Yabyaddu Ibyidad.
Ibiyadda means?
He was white.
He was white. Okay, good. Jazakallah khairan. So now I would hand over to Brother Akhtar for our today's revision. So we are going to revise chapter Istif'al. This is the last chapter of level 3. Istif'al. Over to Brother Akhtar.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are on the last part of revision of level 3. Before that, this is chapter number 9. Before that, we did 8 chapters. So just for revision, Brother Ashar, if you can just say the names of all chapters with just small examples. Can you please do that just on fingertips?
Yes. So we learned 8 chapters before that. So first chapter is Bab Taf'il. The regular pattern is Allama Yu'allimu Ta'lim. And do I mention special cases?
That's it. Next.
Okay. And the second chapter is Bab Mufa'ala.
Special case of Bab Taf'il is?
Bab Taf'il is Walla Yuwalli Tawliya.
Okay, next.
And second chapter is Bab Mufa'ala. Regular pattern is Jahada Yujahadu Jahada Yujahidu Mujahada. And there are two special cases. First one is Nada Yunadi Munada.
Munada.
Yeah, Munada.
Munada.
Munada. And third one is Shaqa, Yushaku, and Mushaqa.
Mushaqa. Yeah.
And
Shaqa
third chapter.
means?
So Shaqa means he opposed.
Okay, next chapter is?
Next chapter is Bab Tafa'ul.
Bab If'al.
Oh, sorry, Bab If'al. Next chapter is Bab If'al. The regular pattern is Anzala Yunzilu Inzal.
Okay.
And there are 8 special types, special cases. And first one is Arada Yuridu Irada. Auha Yuhi Iha. Amana Yu'minu Iman. Aujada Yujidu Ijad. Ara Yuri Ira. Agna Yugni Igna.
Ata Yukti.
Ata Yukti Ita. And Atamma Yutimu Itmam.
Okay, good. Next chapter is Bab
Next, Bab Tafa'ul.
Tafa'ul. Yeah.
Tafa'ul, and the regular pattern is Tawakkala Yatawakkalu Tawakkul.
Okay, and special case?
Special case is Tawalla Yatawalla Tawallin.
Tawallin. And there is another masdar is Tawalliyun.
Tawalliyun.
Okay. Next chapter is?
Next chapter is Bab Tafa'ul, and regular pattern is Tasa'ala Yatasalu Tasa'ul. And
Special case?
special case is Tanada Yatanada Tanadin.
Okay, you said one before, Nada. What is the meaning of Nada and what is the meaning of Tanada?
Nada means he called.
Okay, and Tanada?
Tanada means he called each other.
Each other. Yeah, it is mutual. Okay, next chapter is?
Next chapter is Bab Infial,
Yeah.
and regular pattern is Inqalaba Yanqalibu Inqilab. And special case is Inshaqqa Yanshaqu Inshiqaq.
Inshaqqa means?
He was split.
Was split. Yeah. Next chapter is?
Next chapter is Bab
Yeah.
Iftial. Bab Iftial, and regular pattern is Ikhtalafa Yakhtalifu Ikhtilaf. And special cases are Ihtada Yahtadi Ihtida.
Okay.
And Ikhtassa Yakhtassu Ikhtisas. Ikhtara Yakhtaru Ikhtiyar.
Okay. You said ihtada. There is hada. What is the difference between hada and ihtida? Ihtada.
Hada,
In Bab Naqis.
Hada means he guided.
And ihtada,
He was guided.
he was guided or he received guidance. Yeah, this. Okay.
Okay.
Next is?
Next is If'ilal, chapter
Yeah.
If'ilal. And it is like Ibyadda, Yabyaddu, Ibyadad.
Ibiyadad. So all example of these chapters are related to what? They are
They are related to colors.
colors. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair, Rashar bhai. Yeah. So everybody should have these things on. First, we should have them in fingertips. Then we should be able to recognize them, identify them. And third thing is, and the most important, that we are able to implement in the examples of ayah, as Yeah, Quran. So next, I will take Bab Istifal. So I would start with Brother Farhan.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Okay, Bab Istifal.
Yeah.
So it's level 3, and the type here is Istaghfara. Istaghfara.
Yeah.
Yastaghfiru. Istighfar.
Istighfar. Can you please do the TPI for this? Istighfar means?
Istaghfara means he asked for forgiveness.
Yeah.
Istaghfara,
There is
istaghfaru.
one thing in first level, Ghafara.
Yes.
But
Ghafara.
Ghafara means?
Ghafara means he forgive.
He forgave, and Istaghfara, he asked for forgiveness. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, Farhan bhai, do the TPI for this.
Istaghfara, istaghfaru, istaghfarta, istaghfartum, istaghfartu, istaghfarna. Yastaghfiru, yastaghfiruna, tastaghfiru, tastaghfiruna, astaghfiru, nastaghfiru. Istaghfir, la tastaghfir. Istaghfiru, la tastaghfiru. Mustaghfir, mustaghfirun, mustaghfirin, mustaghfar, mustaghfarun, mustaghfirin. Istighfar.
Istighfar. How we will recognize this chapter in normal pattern?
Yeah, so like there are two things, rather three, I would say. The Hamza has, kasra on it,
Yeah.
and there's a ta with fatha, and the seen as well.
So
So
seen
like
second letter or third letter,
this seen is second letter,
and ta is.
third letter.
So can we say that it start with the ist, al,
Ist,
Hamza,
yeah.
seen, and ta.
Right. Yeah. So these three things.
And how many letters? How many letters in this case? Total number of letters, if we see.
So there are 6. There's 7 actually.
Letters. 6 letters.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6 letters. So this is, we have to recognize it, that is always start with Hamza, Seen, and Ta. Istaghfar. I don't think that there is another chapter which can have 6 letters. I think this. Istaghfara, yastaghfiru, istighfar. They are 6 letters. So thank you, Farhan bhai.
Oh, yeah.
Brother Azhar there? No, Brother Riza.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, Azhar bhai, sorry. So we are on Bab Istif'al. Can you please do one example for this normal pattern? Ista'jala.
Istajala.
Yeah, ista'jala means?
He was quick.
What is the meaning of istaghfara?
He asked for forgiveness.
He asked for forgiveness. And what about this ista'jala?
He asked
to hurry. Yeah.
He asked for hurry.
मुझे जल्दी है, बस मुझे जल्दी नान लगा दें, ये नहीं होता.
जी.
Istajala. Can you please do the TPI?
Istajala, istajalu, istajalta, istajaltum, istajaltu, istajalna. Yastajalu,
Yasta'jilu.
yastajilu, yastajiluna, tastajilu, tastajiluna, astajilu, nastajilu. Istajil, la tastajil. Istajilu, la tastajilu. Mustajil, mustajilun, mustajilin. Mustajal, mustajalun, mustajalin.
Jal.
Istijal.
Isti'jal.
Istijal.
Isti'jal. Musta'jil. What is the meaning of musta'jil?
Mustajil mean the one who is
The one who asked to hurry.
the one who asked for hurry.
And what is musta'jal?
The things which are going for
Which
hurry,
is asked for hurry.
the things which you ask for hurry of.
We have to get in a hurry. Okay. Can you please just tell the masdar for istansara? Just masdar.
Mustansir,
No, masdar. For example, istaghfara, masdar is istighfar. Istajala is isti'jal. Istansara is?
must, must,
No.
Mustin,
Istaghfara is, what is the chapter name?
istifal,
Okay, and masdar is also same on this chapter name. Istaghfara is istighfar. Is it same or not?
is
And
the same.
similarly, istajala is isti'jal. You said. What will be the masdar for istansara?
Istin, intisar,
Istinsar. And
istinsar,
what is istakbara?
istikbar.
Istikbar. Jazakallah Azhar bhai. Very nice. So I would go to brother Iqbal Shahid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, Dr. Sahab. We are on Bab Istif'al. First we did the normal case. Istaghfara, yastaghfiru, istighfar. And now there are some special cases. The first special case is?
Istajaba, yastajibu, istijabatun, istijaba.
Istijaba means?
Istijaba means he responded.
He responded or he accepted. Yeah. Why it is not fitting on the normal case? Why we make it as a special case? Any recognition or something?
Because the second last letter is alif.
Alif, alif. And also in Modare,
Yes, there is a ta.
Yeah,
Ta marbuta in the end.
Istajaba, yastajibu. Yeah. Can you please do the TPI on it for istaqama? Istaqama means?
Istaqama means he was steadfast.
Yeah, he stood fast.
Istaqama, istaqamu, istaqamta, istaqamtum, istaqamtu, istaqamna, yastaqimu, yastaqimuna, tastaqimu, tastaqimuna, astaqimu, nastaqimu. Istaqim.
Yeah, yeah. Istaqim. Go ahead.
I'm
Yeah,
listening
you
in
are right.
echo.
Please go ahead.
Okay. Istaqim. La tastaqim. Istaqimu. La
Istaqimu. There will be actually in Mudare there is yastaqimu. So it will be istaqimu.
Istaqimu. La tastaqimu. Mustaqim.
Mustaqimun. This file is
Mustaqimun. Mustaqimuna. Mustaqimina.
any example for mustaqim?
Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim.
Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. Yeah.
And maf'ul is
Mustaqamun.
mustaqamu, mustaqamuna, mustaqamina, istiqamah.
Istiqamah. Yeah. Just a short form for ista'ana. Ista'ana means he asked for help.
Ista'ana.
Yes. Yeah.
Ista'inu, isti'ana.
Isti'ana. And what about ista'adha?
Ista'adha is he asked for protection.
Yeah.
Yasta'idu, isti'adha.
Yes. Similarly, istaghatha.
Istaghatha is he was
He asked for help. This is
he
help.
asked for help. Yes. Istaghatha, yastaghithu, istighatha.
Jazakallah khair, Dr. Sahab. Very nice.
Jazakallah.
MashaAllah. So next is
Jazakallah.
next we'll take special case, and I would ask brother Rashid Khan. Wa alaikum assalam. Rashid bhai, on which chapter we are? Which level? Which chapter?
Istifal
Level
level
is?
3, level 3,
Level-
chapter 9.
Yeah. No. How many letters in this? Initially discuss.
Around 6 letters.
Six. Yeah. So you will do
Common
one
letters
special
are-
case. What is that?
Special case, we just finished istaghat.
Istajaba we finished. Now you have to take
Istajab.
istaghna.
Istagna. Istagna, yastagna, istagna.
Yeah, istaghna, yastaghni, istaghna. Why it is different from other? How we will recognize it?
Normally it starts with the end with the ba,
Ya
like
maksura. Yeah, it ends with ya maksura. We did not see anything
maksura.
here. Istaghfara, it cannot fit here. If we fit
Istaghfara,
istaghna on istaghfara, how it will be?
Istagna,
Ya istaghna ya. So it cannot be fit here. Istaghna ya.
Okay.
It cannot be fit on istaghfara. Similarly, istajaba, as Dr. Iqbal Shah had told us that there is alif, istajaba. It cannot be fit there. So it is different because of ya makthura. So it will be istaghna, yastaghni, istaghna,
Istighna.
Istagna, yastagni, istagna.
istighna.
Istigna, yastagni, istigna.
Yeah. What is the meaning of istaghna?
Ask for help. He asked for help.
He considered to be self-sufficient. He is rich.
Istagna, okay.
Okay, can you please do the TPI for this?
Istagna, istagnau, istagnaita, istagnaitum, istagnaitu, istagnaina. Yastagni, yastagni,
Yastaghni.
yastagni, yastagniyun,
Yastaghnuna. There is kasra, and in plural it will be dhamma. Yastaghni, yastaghnuna.
yastagni, yastagnuna, tastagni, tastagnuna, astagni, nastagni.
Nastaghni. Yeah.
Istagni, la tastagni. Istagniyu,
No, singular was istaghni. What will be the plural?
istagnu,
Istaghnu. There will be dhamma with vav. Yeah.
istagni, la tastagni, istagnu, la tastagnu. Mustigni,
Mustaghni.
mustagni, mustagniyun,
Mustaghnun.
mustagnun, mustagnin.
Mustaghna.
Mustagna, mustagnuna,
Mustaghnauna.
mustagnauna, mustagnaina.
Yeah.
And
Masdar is
istagna,
istighna.
istigna.
That is kasra. If you see here, istaghfara, yastaghfiru, istighfar, istajaba,
Istighfar, yeah.
yastajibu, istijaba, istaghna, yastaghni, istighna. Can you please do the short form for istaghfar?
Istighfar,
Yeah, there is one example for istaghna. Fit it here. Istaghfar.
istighfar,
Yes.
istighfar.
Istaghfar. It is written here. Can you please see the first example?
Okay, yeah. Istighfar, yastaghfu,
Yastaghfi.
istighfar, yastaghfi, istighfar,
Istighfar. Okay.
istighfar.
Can you please fit here? Istasqa. Istasqa means?
Istasqa means
He asked for water.
he asked for water. Yeah, he asked for water.
Can you please fit here? Istasqa.
Istasqa, yastasku,
Yastas.
yastisku,
Can you please see the normal example? Istaghna, yastaghni. Similarly, if we fit here, istasqa,
Istasqa, yastakh,
yastas,
yastaskhi,
and master is
istasqa.
istisqa, salatul istisqa,
Istisqa, yeah, istisqa.
salatul istisqa.
Istisqa, yes.
Yeah. So istisqa means he
Ask for water.
asked for water. Thank you, Rashid bhai. So next is brother Shifa, brother Shifa.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Yes.
Can you please take this? What is the chapter name, brother Shifa?
Bab istif'al.
Istif'al. And we are on the special case. What is that?
Yastahiqu.
Istahaqqa.
Yeah, istahaqqa. Yes.
Can you please say it?
Istahaqqa means I don't know the meaning.
No problem. But first say it. Istahaqqa, yastahiqqu,
Yastahiqu.
istihqaq.
Istihqaq.
Istahaqqa means he deserved.
He deserved.
Yeah. Can you please do the TPI for this?
Okay. Istahaqqa, istahaqqu, istahaqta.
Istahqaqta. Qaf will be separate. There will be two qaf. Istahqaqta.
Istahqaqta. Istahqaqtu. Istahqaqtu. Istahqaqna.
Okay.
Yastahiqqu. Yastahiqquna. Tastahiqqu. Tastahiqquna. Astahiqqu. Nastahiqqu.
Amar.
Istihaq.
Istahqiq.
Istahqiq. La tastahqiq. Istahqiqu. La tastahiqqu. Mustahiq. Mustahiqun. Mustahiqin. Mustahaq. Mustahaqun. Mustahaqqin. Istihqaq.
Istihqaq. Why it is different, brother Shifa, if you just
Last letter is doubled.
last letter is double and it cannot be fit on istaghfara, istajaba, istaghna. It cannot be fit there.
Yes.
If we fit here istahaqqa on istaghfara, can you please say it? If I fit it there, so it can be istahaqqa, istahaqqaqa. So it cannot. Istahqaqa. It cannot be fit there. It cannot be istajaba. It cannot be on istaghna. So it is istahaqqa. So it is last letter is double. Thank you, brother Shifa.
You're welcome.
Yeah, brother Rida.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam, brother Riza. Thank you. Here, just you can do the short form for this ista'affa.
Istahappa.
Ista'affa. Yeah, second example. First example, if you see here. He restrained himself.
Ista'affa.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you want me to do?
Yeah, just fit it here on istahaqqa, yastahiqqu, istihqaq.
Okay.
Just
Ista'affa, yastahifu, isti'af. Fafa.
Paf. Yeah, if you start with the
Istighfar.
second one, istaqarra.
Istighfar, yes.
Okay. Set the istaqarra.
Istaqarra, yastaqirru, istiqrar.
Istiqrar. Yeah. Istaqarra means?
Istaqarra means he settled. He remained.
He settled. He remained. Yeah. Next is istafazza.
Istafazza, yastafizzu, istifzaz.
If this istifdad. And next, if I ask you, istamarra.
استمر يستمر استمرار.
Istamarra means?
استمر means he was continuous.
He was continuous. So this just can you summarize it, this chapter, Bab?
استفعال.
Istifal. Normal cases?
استغفر يستغفر يستغفر استغفار.
Yastaghfiru. And there are how many special cases?
Curious. استجابة يستجيب استجابة. استقنى يستقني استقنى. استحق يستحق استحقاق.
Istihqaq. So there are 6 letters in every. So in this chapter, or there are 3 special cases here. Thank you, Brother Rida. I think we have finished level 3. We almost spent 2 weeks, 2 or 2.5 weeks on this. I think again, I would request and I would remind myself and everybody that first we should bring them on fingertips. Second thing is we have to recognize them. And third and most important thing, we have to implement them in Quran and Hadith, whatever we read. This is very important. Jazakallah khair. Dr. Saab.
Jazakallah khairan, Brother Akhtar. Thank you. So, any questions? Otherwise, move on to our next part. So, one